Hello everybody, how are you? Are you doing? Okay, no problem, Jury. You can sit here if it is possible. So hello my learners, how are you? Are you doing? It's now online lecture, as I told you, for grade 12 mathematics, and the topics will be, let's say, trig function, okay, and differentiation, and discrete variable, and the probability distribution, okay, and complex numbers, okay. Hello my learners, how are you doing? It's Murad, Sultan, Ezouidi. Just I'm going to inform you that your lecture is starting for grade 12 to revise, let's say, all the questions of final exam, okay, regarding to the topic unit 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay. If it is possible, inform your friends to join, let's say, the lecture. And now I'm online, my learners, on YouTube, okay. Thank you. Okay, therefore my learners, okay, so let's start, my learners. I will just focus on one or two questions, okay, because the charger will finish as soon as possible. Okay, now I'm outside recording this lecture for you, my learners. What is, let's say, the okay, what is the okay, the revision, what is it? Yes, this one. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. After telling Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, we are going to let you concentrate on these questions. I will just make here this one. I will need it, okay, to accept my symbols of equations. Okay, we finished this question in my learners. Okay, now we move to the second question. Let's say if Z1 is 50 minus 100i and Z2 is 4, okay, minus 3i, and therefore what is the quotient of the complex number Z1 over Z2 and the conjugate number Z2? Okay, here I will just, let's say, calculate this first, my learners. Okay, so it's clear. I thought with the practice you will see that, with the practice, my learners, you will see that the product of complex number and its conjugate complex number, it will be the real part square plus the imaginary part square, okay. And then after that you will make yes, this is okay. I will just write Z1 equal what? Equal 4 minus 3i multiplied by what, my learners? Multiplied by 4 plus 3i. This is the conjugate number of the complex number, okay, Z2 and Z1. This is 4. So you can see that 4 square 4 multiplied by 4 is 4 square. Then negative 3i multiplied by positive 3i will gives me, let's say, negative 9i squared. But I squared is minus 1 and there is negative sign, so it will be equal to, in fact, is equal to 25. This one, my learners, is equal to what? Equal 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25. Therefore, now this is my equation, okay. Now my learners, I will try to find this one, the quotient of Z1, Z2. I will just write it there, okay. I will write like that. Z1 equal, we told equal 50 minus 100i, okay, like that, equal 50 minus 100i, okay, divided by what? The product of this conjugate number and its complex number is 25. Divide by 25. Okay, 25. Therefore, 50 divided by 25 is 2. Okay, and 100 divided by 25 is 4. And don't forget about the imaginary complex number. So this one should be equal to what, my learners? To 2 minus 4i. This is the correct answer. Okay, so it's easy. Just we'll be familiar with the product of a complex number and its conjugate number. So in general, okay, in general, my learners, I will let you remember something. If z1, I'll just write this here, copy, I will paste it here. So for example, z2 is equal to a plus a minus a minus ib multiplied by its conjugate number, my learners, is in fact a plus ib. So this one is equal, the difference between two squares, it will be a squared. It will be a squared, the square of a, okay, the square of a, the square of a, or is, yes, then minus between parentheses the square of ib, between parentheses the square of I small b. Okay, then you already know that it will be, this one should be equal to, I will just write it again, this one. Okay, you can notice, you can see that the square of I is minus 1 and there is negative sign, so this one is equal, I will just erase this one, okay, because it's written up. So this one is equal to a square equal a square, okay, then minus, I will go down, okay, okay, Mama, just a moment, I will see you is okay. Question number 3. Okay, here the question is find the common factor, means تحاولي تبحثي عن العوامل مال 2 و4 و6. اوكي، العوامل هذه 2 او العامل الوحيد هو 2. اوكي، now I'm recording my wife, I'm recording the lecture. Okay, so this one should be equal to what, my learners? Equal a square, okay, minus also I square, I will write I square multiply by b square, okay, but I square is what? I square is minus 1, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 should be equal to a square plus b square, okay, plus b square. This is the last answer. Okay, when you multiply a complex number by its conjugate complex number, you will get this one. Okay, I wish that it's clear for you, my learners. Okay, this is the correct answer, is 2 minus 4i. Okay, so now we move to the next question. This one I prefer to we didn't reach this question, okay, but I think that we did in the revision for short test. Okay, but I will, let's say, explain it again if it is possible, of course. Here the random let's say the following table shows the probability distribution of discrete random variable x. Okay, now the question is I'll make here enter, it is possible. Okay, to clarify this, my learners, boys and girls, I will put this down if it is possible. No, ma, I'm speaking with my learners, my daughter جوري. أنا بتحدث مع أولادي وبناتي في الصف الثاني عشر. أوكي ماما يا جوري. أوكي. لا قلت لك أتحدث مع بناتي ومع أولادي. أوكي سمحة. Okay, then this one I'll put here. 1, 2. Okay, therefore we told that Z1 Z2 equal copy and complete equal A squared plus B squared. I will reduce this here. Okay, plus don't touch mama. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. We told that you should find the expectation value or mean value of the discrete random variable x. Okay, أهلين أستاذنا السلام عليكم. So just like that. Okay, so we told that the correct answer in fact is okay. Work with mom. Okay. Hello, my daughter. How are you doing? You can, let's say, inform your friends that now I'm online and the recording is going on process. Okay. Thank you. Okay. This one. Question number 3. خلاص
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go there. So now we can move to the next question. We told I will try to solve this question. Yeah, mama, you can solve. You can put this. Okay, Juri, take my mobile. Okay, this is YouTube, mom. Okay, this is YouTube. Okay, which one you prefer? Okay, baby shark, go. Use this one. Yeah. So now we move my daughters and my kids, my sons, grade 12, whatsoever you are from Sultan of Oman or other countries, you are here to benefit. Okay, mama نقص. Okay, take, yeah. Go there and sit on the chair and try to watch your favorite video. Therefore, to find the expectation of learners value is in fact is equal to, I'll just write ex, between parentheses ex, okay, which is equal, I will insert, let's say, an equation. Okay, I will insert this one because it's written in terms of okay, so I will just told I will insert an equation which is equal to mu. Mu is the mean value. This is mu. It's called the mu, like that. Okay, it's called a mu. Okay, this one is mu. Okay, yes, the only one here. So I already did. Okay, so which is equal to what? To the sum of x multiplied by the probability. Okay, so equal the sum. Okay, يجوري نقص يجوري بنيت. So equal all of x, all x, and here we have x multiplied by the probability of the particular value x, that the particular value x that the discrete random variable can take. Just here my learns is multiplication. 1 multiplied by 0.3 is equal to equals 0.3. 0.3. Okay, plus what? I'll just extend this one. Okay, plus 2 multiplied by 0.2 is 0.4, plus 3 multiplied by 0.5 is 1.5. So this one, my learners, it will be 2.2. This one, if we're going to use calculator, okay, it will be 2.2. Therefore, the expectation value, or the mean value, is in fact equal to 2.2. And here you have sub options, which is it 0.2, 22, or 1.1, or 1, or 2.2. So the correct answer, my learners, is 2.2. Clear? Now we'll move to the next question. So I'll just write this down. Okay. So we told that the correct answer, my learners, is 2.2. This one the correct answer. I will just write V, meaning no. I will write here V, capital. This is the correct answer. I will just write true if it is possible. True. Okay. Means you are going to shake this. Okay, now my laptop is going to the charger will be let's say will finish. I forget my charger at home, but we will continue, my learners, every day or day after day. I will fix, let's say, the hour, and we will continue like that till I will be 100% that you got the point. Okay, and think, let's say, make sure that your teacher Murad Sultan Ezouidi is here to help you, is here to let let's say mathematics easy for you, and especially for the 4 units that we had seen in the classroom. And if you have doubt, don't hesitate to ask your teacher Murad Sultan Ezouidi. I'm here to help you. Okay, and I wish that this lecture was clear for you. At least how can you find, let's say, the expectation value, okay, of discrete random variable. Okay, and we will see you tomorrow or after tomorrow. Okay, I will inform you when the lecture will be ready. Okay, thank you. I will never leave you, my learners, either boys or girls, till you will examine your final exam of mathematics. Okay, I will offer at least 1 hour for you, so it's enough to evolve your level in mathematics and to understand well the concepts of mathematics. Okay, mathematics or mathematics in Britain pronunciation, and mathematics is American pronunciation, and the Tunisian pronunciation will be mathematics. Okay, thank you and goodbye. See you inshallah next time.